Happy Thursday, everybody. Lost track of time. I forgot the 48-hour grip belt's fixing to start. So, I know it's kind of last minute, but this is what I'll be doing. I'm actually on long break for once. I'm usually working. So, since I'm off, I figure I'll do this. Me and my boy are going to tackle this weekend. So, yeah. And just to give you an idea, yeah. It's a pretty big kit. Pack full of stuff. Yeah. Comes with a little pan to go in. Lots of little pieces to go on it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. About 17, 18 pages. But, yeah. Lots of little things. It doesn't look like it, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, see. Intricate stuff. So, as you can see if it gets in there. Yeah, not too late, about 6. Oh no, it is later. Sorry, big hand, wrong. 8, yeah, under 24 hours. So there you go. Yeah, definitely come down to the end of it, or yeah, whatever. You know what I mean. I'm tired, but yeah, this will be it. Hope this works, Craig. Thank y'all.